Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use stock videos on CapCut browser. So I've already opened up a project. I'm just going to delete these clips for now, and then for instance I want to use these stock videos. I'm just going to go to stock videos here, and as you can see there's a lot to choose from. There's animation, cutout, text, aerial, time-lapse, nature, etc., etc. So I'm just going to add, let's go to all again. I'm just going to add, for instance, let's see which one I should add. For instance, this one, just press the plus button and then it'll add the stock video to the project. And there's more options here than the CapCut application itself. So if you want more stock videos, make sure you check out CapCut browser for more stock videos. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!